I've got some more scrap here. I don't know what to, but we'll have a look. Oh, I like this sort of stuff. You never know what you're going to find in the scrap. Strip light. Are good because they've got motors in. And still. I could see a little copper ball there from the old ones at the old toilet. A bit of brass, a bit of copper, a nice handy little chisel, a barrow wheel, Oh, it's magic, you know. Let's get the song tonight. We got here, I think, once upon a time, that was a pair of jumper cables. Nice bit of copper wire. Nice copper there, look at that. You don't see them anymore. Them are all plastic now. I know that because my son's a plumber. Yeah, I won't say plumber. She'll only tell me off. He's a gas engineer. I think it's the same thing. Nice bit of tap there, mate. Car battery. That's always a bonus. Oh, look at these. If you still want to keep that to bang on. Look at that beauty. What's that? I'm coming to you. Get it on. Oh! Alright. Nothing in the tin. What? No. Still in working order. More strip lights. The box of chisels. This little lump pan for a new style in that. That's a beaut. Alright, couple of bits of brass, another hammer, chisel, another chisel, get the brass out there, the back here, let's go, put them chisels right off. Alright. And last but not least, the car battery. Let's give it some more tattoo.